What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, can I please request every single person who's watching right now to please like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. Let's get the views up, the counts up, everything up, subscribers, everything, likes, everything up. But yeah, people, man, enough of that. Let's just get into this one. So this is, as you can see by the title, a moose knuckles jacket, puffa, parka, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to call it puffa or parka or jacket. I haven't even made my mind up, not going to lie. Let's just get into this one. So this is the moose knuckles union down parka / puffer, whatever you want to call it. Purchased for the winter. Also purchased to show you people, show everyone what they're like. Obviously we will do the legit check and everything, 100% genuine. I don't condone or promote any unauthentic items, and you'll definitely be able to see why this is genuine if you carry on watching the video. We'll start off with, I don't know, the main body. So the union jacket is actually a bit less padded than the original 3Q puffer, or I believe the 3Q puffer is what it's modeled on. Quite similar, quite different at the same time. So this one is 30% less padded. It's still quite padded, it's still quite warm. Let's just have a quick look at the labels just to show you people. You know, I think that would be the best way to review it. So we've got the Moose Knuckles Canada, that label. On the inside it has it's quite heavy, so I have to lift it myself. The style M32MJ178, color 291, which is the color code for black with moose knuckles. Color description, black with black, nice straight up, size XL. Description M Cloud 3QF, so yeah, it is the 3Q, but it's the cloud one, so it's lighter and a bit different to the normal 3Q. Then it says cloud, it says bring the heat but keep it light, welcome to cloud. Function index, so that's durable, eco-conscious shell fabric woven with organic cotton and recycled polyester. ODS certified, high loft 90/10 down insulation, water repellent, shell keeps the elements out, wind resistant, construction to keep warm, durable, weather resistant hardware. What else have we got? Final label. Actually no, there's two more labels after this. I've actually messed it up nicely. So the protection levels, as every Canada Goose, every moose knuckles jacket has. So it's either chilly, cold, crazy cold, or Canada cold. So this is crazy cold, so heavy and durable. Choose these garments when the cold gets serious, which is actually right now in the UK. I think the 3Q is rated Canada cold, don't quote me on that. Also authentic. Fake moose is popping up everywhere. Want to make sure yours is real? Scan the Nfc tag located on the side seam of your item with your phone. If nothing happens, you know where this is going. And just quickly, short and simple. And of course showing the price tag, so that's the retail rate, £975 for the Moose Knuckles Union Fur Jacket Black XL. My arm is actually hurting from lifting it up for that long, but yeah, let's have a look. We've got the normal, you know, kind of like a flap with the press down buttons. We've got a solid YKK double zip. Well, I'm saying YKK double zip, but it's actually got the Moose Knuckles zip on the top. So that's how Moose Knuckles zips come, with the Moose Knuckles little logo on it. Close up for the camera. I was actually lucky enough to get this with the Moose Knuckles hanger. That hanger is, you know, serious. It's a good hanger, proper quality wooden hanger, very nice. You know, I always love it when you get a little something extra, because it's just something proper. So we'll have a quick look at the arms, which has got the zips. That's what the zips look like, so they don't fully open up, it just opens more out, kind of thing, to give it, you know, loosen it up. Then we've got the side zips. Those actually open up. I'm not gonna lie, I just like them being there. I don't really use them to zip and unzip. Then we've got the zip pockets with the little Moose Knuckles logos on the front and the back. On the inside, this one is quite simple. It's not like the other ones I have. You can see the padding, and it's got a small pocket there. Black Moose Knuckles Canada logo, so it's just kind of blacked out, basically black and grey. Inside it's got the sizing, so it says XL TG Moose Knuckles. It's got a pocket there, and that's really it. My other one, my Upscale, whatever you want to call it, has a lot of pockets. This one is like quite low on pockets, which is annoying. So bring the heat but keep it light. Welcome to Cloud. 30% lighter than our classic icon, referring to the 3Q jacket. And then all that other information, wind resistant, wind repellent, all that good stuff. So important bit, legit check. So this is the Nfc Rfid Tag. Let's just get the phone and let's give it a legit check for you people, just to see if anyone wants to actually try to call me out and fail. Where's the NFC? Right, yeah, NFC is enabled right there. So what you do is, I'm just gonna put it down, kind of pop it together, see what happens. You know, not long, then it says complete action using. I'm gonna do Chrome in just once, just for the sake of this. And then it's loading, and it's a bit rubbish. Come on, checking authenticity. Good news, your item is 100% authentic. Would you like to register your product so we can track and streamline future warranty claims? At the moment, I don't want to. And it says thank you for choosing, or thanks for choosing Moose Knuckles. For latest news, head to our website, mooseknuckles.com. Oh, they got a sale on. But yeah, so that's kind of, you know, what the 3M is. I'm so used to doing sneaker reviews, I swear down, this is much different. What the Union fur hooded jacket looks like. The bit I purchased it for, because I love these fur hoods. That is so soft. Oh, it's so nice. I do believe it's real fur, fox fur. Don't quote me on that, but mate, foxes are proper, man. That is some soft fur. I really love this fur. I haven't had a puffer or a jacket with fur on it for a number of years, so I just thought I need to. Yes, it does zip off, so if you don't want the fur, that's another reason I bought it, because, you know, always zip off if you don't want to wear it, or if it gets wet or something like that, or just you want to go for a slightly, you know, plainer jacket, you can always do that. The knuckles on this side, some jackets are like, you know, like a sticker or whatever. This is proper, like, serious. This is not coming off. It's got the metal, it's like a brushed silver type of metal knuckles. I do see that that's kind of like scratched or whatever. It's kind of dirty. I think it's more a sticker on it or something. Not happy about that, but we move. But yeah, so that's not a sticker, that stays on. I really do like that, because with the not the sticker, the Velcro, you know, it's a bit 50-50, but this is much nicer, because the Velcro, you know, you can take it off, whatever. It's a bit of a gimmick to me. I don't really care for it. I just prefer this one with it stuck on, and that smooth fur, man, that soft fur. It looks amazing on. Such a nice jacket. I got a few more Moose Knuckles reviews coming, most definitely, just to show everyone what they look like. I will try to do a worn video, like what it's like being worn. If I don't beat me up. If I do, it'll probably be separate to this. I just want to get the reviews out so everyone can have a look and see what they like. But yeah, people, let me tell you. You should tell me if you like it, if you hate it, if you rate it. If you've got one, how'd you find it? All that good stuff. Start up a conversation in the comments. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, and all that good stuff. Most importantly, take care, people.